Sunday morning, and I am headed to the Gorham Lions Club Classic Car Show. I am running several hours late. Whoa, dog barking at me. And I am already losing my voice. But yeah, that's where we're headed. Ooh, there's an old car, cool old car. Maybe they're headed to the same spot. Frick, I missed my chance. And so, without further ado, how's it going?
How you doing?
Not too bad, how are you?
Good. It's nice. I like it.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Next level. Next level.
So if you guys are into tins like I am, this is the place to get some tins. Maybe I should treat myself.
Treat yourself. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
Well, this isn't a car, but it is a pretty cool tractor. So I think it gets a pass. So as you can see, that sign says air cooled, but in actuality this is just a bunch of VWs. VWs upon VWs. Pretty cool looking car here. We got the Nissan 300ZX, but there's something inside that I want to show you. On either side of the steering wheel you see that there's like these control clusters that like protrude outwards and kind of wrap themselves around and on either side of the steering wheel. They're sort of like floating control clusters. I just think that's a really cool design touch.
Cut the roof off.
So, I don't know what's up with this guy, but check out this Wrangler Jeep build of some kind. I'm not a Jeep expert. I don't really know much about Jeeps or the off-roading culture in general, but I still have to say, I think this is a really cool build. Come on, focus. Focus. Yay, it's focused. Sidecar, come on, focus. Son of a... Stop. Well, it's that sad part of the day where everybody starts to leave, cars take off, and the place starts to thin out, and before you know it, you're the only sad, lonely car left. Bye, cool old vintage truck thing. I don't really know what you are, but you're still cool. Bye, Model T. Bye, cool Ford truck. I'm not a truck guy, but I like that truck. Bye, Hot Rod, Rat Rod, Mad Max Machine. You also sound very cool. Lots of good sounding vehicles today. Gotcha. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Well, hey, thanks for chatting. I think I'm gonna hit the road myself.
What is this?
Dodge Viper 94.
Viper.
Yeah, it's a classic.
The Viper is like a sauna, but I'll take it. The car show was awesome, probably the best turnout of that show that I've seen so far. Yeah, there's a Corvette. That's cool. But it was just a cool car show, cool gathering, cool cars, cool people. You can't really ask for much more than that. And so, as I drive through this absolutely amazing Maine field, I'm happy I got myself out on the road in the Viper. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you again soon.